Welcome back to the farm. I'm gonna do a little market garden tour today, and this is basically we call it the South Garden, and we mainly sell out of this garden at the farmers market. So we're hoping everything goes well, and we'll be at the farmers market before long. We do eat out of it some. Mainly we preserve out of it. Really, we mostly eat out of the kitchen garden, and if we get anything out of here, we mostly preserve it, like like whatever, squash and everything. So I'm gonna start with row one, and that's our paste tomatoes, and you see me stake them last video, so I'm not gonna spend a whole lot of time. It does look like the tomatoes have gotten bigger, so let's look at those real quick. Paste tomatoes, the first 12 are uh, San Marzino. The next, I got 8 orange paste. I think every plant that's staked has tomatoes on it, so that's really good. I'm really happy with those. I did fertilize them like I talked about, so anyway. All right, row number 2 is squash, and oh my gosh, I just happened to notice we got squash down here. Got a little baby squash. I'll show you that in just a second. It's a Smooth Summers, the variety, and I grew a little bit of it last year, went big on it this year. Love the variety. It's not quite as prolific as the moldy pick, and maybe it's just because I didn't grow it very well last year, but we'll find out this year. But it's got really good squash to it. But let's look at this little baby one right here. That one's actually got 2, but the whole row looks great. All right, that was row 2. Row 3 is picklers, and this is called oh my gosh, what's the name of this one? It's a new variety. It's done okay. I've got a few places that's not done well, so let's see. Well, I swear I believe it's got little pickles on it. Let's see. I think the name of it's quarantine, so yeah, it's got little pickles on it, so that's good. Row 4 is our slicers, and this is a Speedway, and it's done pretty good. It's just starting to have some blooms on it. Next is zucchini, and this is payload. I've had really good luck with this, so and it's done really good. Squash and zucchini this year have done outstanding so far. And I don't know if let's see if I see anything going on. Yeah, I got some blooms starting right there. And might have some blooms right there starting, so hopefully we'll get something there. So let's see where I'm at. So this row 6, failure. Tried to direct seed some eggplant and didn't work, so this one's a failure. Nothing here. So I tried to start some in the greenhouses, and it ain't done any good either. All right, next two rows are okra, nothing yet. So I'm gonna replant these. It might be one coming up there. Might be a weed too. Sometimes it's hard to tell the difference. So these 2 rows are failures. But I'm gonna replant those. So next row, Supermax, I had to replant it. I did a couple days ago. It's a pickler. Only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of this half row coming up. So that's not good. I replanted this one. Next row is Dasher 2. It's done okay. I don't know. I think something might be eating these now that I think about it. Huh. Dasher 2 usually does real good for us, but it's done good except for this spot right here. So anyway. I didn't replant this. I don't know why. Starting to get some blooms on there. Now this is our second planting. So starting there with that Big Max pickler. This is our second planting. That was our first planting. That's why it's so much a little bit ahead. So we plant these maybe 2 or 3 weeks later. Now we're getting back into some goods. So this is our beans. This is half white runners, and they are doing really good, really good. Next row is a variety of squash the zucchini called Liberty. You can see how good that did. That's doing excellent. Got something come up with every one, 100% germination, so that's good. Next rows are old Blue Lake, and I think it's gonna rain. It wasn't supposed to rain today. That's weird. Oh my gosh, so yeah, we're starting to get some blooms on these beans. Yeah, these beans look really good. And the last row is multi-pick squash, and it did good except for the center part right here. It's very odd. So anyway. Multi-pick. Grew it for many, many, many years here. Does really good. All right, we'll kind of go over our this is our second I just showed you. Now we did some third planting, I don't know, maybe 5 days ago, and of course nothing's coming up yet. We did a half a row of Smooth Summer, half a row of Liberty, zucchini, Raceway, and Calypso down there. Raceway is the slicer. CB, I can't remember what that is. Let's see what this says. CB, I don't remember what that is. It's a pickler, but I don't remember which one. And we got Sumter and something else down there, so we did a whole row of that. So here we got another half row of half white runners, and we got a full row of Blue Lake beans, and half white runners, Blue Lake. And of course over here you seen this other day, it's broccoli. Got some more broccoli doing good in the high tone, which I put down through here. Boy, I've had a rough year with cabbage. I don't know why, but anyway. If you're wondering why I ain't cutting hay, it's because when you're watching this, we'll be over in Columbia, Tennessee at the Homesteaders conference. I'm actually making this on Thursday, so you know, it's a couple days old. So we might have some squash when we get back Saturday evening. Anyway, just a little update, a little video here, and hopefully next week we'll get to cut some hay. Good thing I didn't cut it today. It was I thought about cutting it today and you know, baling it and everything when I got back, but I can't believe it's rain. We need it though. I mean, I'll take it. Those seeds we planted, they'll come up now. All right. Hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough. If you got any questions, let's leave them down there. Comments, leave them down there. Give us a like. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. All this stuff I just showed you will be available at our farmers market in town on the Paris Road Farmers Market. All this stuff. Everything you see. And even stuff you don't see. I didn't even show you the high tones, but we got peppers. I got peppers. I got bell peppers coming on. Little bell peppers. I got tons and tons of tomatoes, so hopefully they'll do good. Let's keep going. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Anyway, you can see us at the Peerless Road Farmers Market where all this will be for sale. Lowest prices in town. Cheaper than Walmart. Come see us. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here at the farm next video.